Hello friends, today we are going to discuss two concepts, that is gradient and divergence. In this lecture I am going to discuss about gradient. So before that we will define the operator del. So the operator del is defined as I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Here the operator del is a vector function. Now we will define the gradient of a scalar function. So here gradient is a scalar function, and in next lecture we are going to discuss that is divergence is a vector function. So I will define a function if phi of x y z be scalar function, then I dou phi upon dou x plus j dou phi upon dou y plus k dou phi upon dou z is called gradient of the scalar function phi. So we denote this one as gradient of phi, or also we can denote this one as del of phi. So this del of phi indicates gradient of phi. So that is gradient of phi equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou phi upon dou z. Here phi is scalar function. Now we'll take some example. If the function phi is equal to 3x square y minus y cube z square, then we have to find gradient of phi at the point 1 minus 2 1. So first I will write the definition. Gradient of phi, which is equal to del of phi I dou phi upon dou x plus j into dou phi upon dou y plus k into dou phi upon dou z. So gradient of phi equal to, I will write I as it is, dou phi upon dou x, dou upon dou x, I will write the value of phi plus j into dou upon dou y, again I will write the value of phi plus k into dou upon dou z, again I will write the value of phi. Now I will differentiate this one. Gradient of phi equal to dou by dou x of this one. We will differentiate this one partially with respect to x. I will get 6xy plus j into derivative of 3x square y with respect to y is 3 into x square minus 3y square z square plus k into derivative of this one with respect to z is minus 2y cube z. So our question is, we have to find the gradient of phi at the point 1 minus 2 1. For that I will put x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2 and z equal to 1 in this equation. So I will get gradient of phi equal to minus 12 into I minus 9j minus 16k. Now we will take one more example. If u equal to x plus y plus z, v equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and w equal to xy plus yz plus zx, then prove that gradient of u, gradient of v and gradient of w are coplanar vectors. So before that, to prove these are the coplanar vectors, first I will find gradient of u, gradient of v and gradient of w. So first I will find gradient of u, that is del of u. First I will write the formula, then I will differentiate the function u with respect to x, u with respect to y and u with respect to z. So I will get I plus jk plus k. So for my convenient, I will denote this vector as vector A. Similarly, I will find del of v, that is gradient of v. So I will get 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. So I will denote this one as vector B. Similarly, I will find gradient of w. So I will get here gradient of w equal to I into y plus z plus j into x plus z plus k into y plus x. I will take this one as vector C. So here we have to prove gradient of u, gradient of v and gradient of w are coplanar vectors. First we will understand what we mean by coplanar vectors. So coplanar vectors means if there are three vectors a, b, c, then the scalar product of a, b, c, if it is equal to 0, then we can say these are the coplanar vectors. Here also we will recall the scalar product of three vectors. So if a equal to a1i a2j plus a3k, b equal to b1i b2j plus b3k, and vector c equal to c1i plus c2j plus c3k, then scalar product of three vectors is given by determinant of a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. So now I will prove gradient of u, gradient of v, and gradient of w are coplanar vectors. For that, I will find the scalar product of these three vectors. So that is a into b cross c equal to, so determinant of coefficient of I plus j k plus k is what? 1, 1, 1. Here the coefficients are 2x, 2y, 2z, and here y plus z, x plus z, and x plus y. So after solving this determinant, we will get value as 0. That indicates gradient of u, gradient of v, and gradient of w are coplanar vectors because the scalar product of these vectors are 0. Thank you.